Hi viewers, welcome to Kitchen Chettinad. Those who did not subscribe the channel, subscribe it. Also press the bell button. Today we are going to see how to prepare cashew sweets. 50 grams of cashews have been soaked in water for 1 hour. 1 cup of grated coconut and 1.5 cup sugar are the needed ingredients. Coconut and soaked cashews both together have to be grinded in mixie with less water. Make a paste and have it. Heat the pan, put 4 teaspoons of ghee. When it gets heated, add the paste we have prepared, cashews and coconut paste. Some might have stuck on to the bottom of the mixie. Put some water on the mixie and add that water to this. Don't waste it. Stir it with the ghee. Completely mix the ghee, cashews and the coconut. So the paste and the ghee have gone together. So in this stage, let us add half the amount of sugar and again stir it. Since we added sugar now, it will little become watery. Add the remaining sugar. When you stir it again, completely it will turn watery because the total sugar will get dissolved in the mix. See, it is now more watery. When we completely stir and continue the process, slowly, the thing will become thicker and lesser. Cashews are protein rich. They boost the immune system, has more antioxidants, so it's very healthier. We might have eaten cashew sweets in hotels, sweet stalls. The same taste you can get in this also, and it is homemade too. Total process will take only 10 minutes. All time stirring, nothing more than that. Don't stop stirring at any time. If you take a non-stick pan, it will be easy for you. Otherwise, take a vessel which has thick bottom. See, now it has become little bit thicker and lesser. See, again it is continuously reducing. It has become more dense. Don't leave it. It's coming together. This is a stage. We can stop now. Yeah. So it has come up. Yeah, good. So I'm taking it out of the stove. Take a plate, put some drops of ghee, spread it, and then put this cashew cake, like cashew sweet, formed on that. Smoothen that with a spoon by applying 2 to 3 drops of ghee over it and make horizontal and vertical cuts. If you want to get a bigger piece of cashew cake, you can put diagonal pieces with more distance so that you can get a bigger piece in diamond form. So in whichever form you want, you can cut it. So see how easily it is coming. See, while cutting itself, it is coming out. It will be easy to take it out. So after putting cuts, leave it for 5 minutes. Automatically, the pieces will come out. It will be a very tastier and healthier one. Try it once. Subscribe, share, and comment.